Hey guys, wanted to put a quick video together here on how to calculate network broadcast and subnet when you're given an IP address with a Cisco shorthand. For example, what you see here is /24 or the /16 on the end. Now I want to keep this very basic, and you notice the Cisco shorthand is a multiple of 8. That makes the subnetting very easy, and that's what I just want to explain today. Okay, so first off, you have to realize the /24 is going to equate to 255.255.255.0. The /24 refers to the number of network bits, or the number of bits that are being used for the network, which is 24, versus the number of bits that are being used for the hosts, which are 8. This is not going to be an in-depth video on subnetting, but just some quick tricks to memorize the basics. Okay, so for the first one with the /24, you have a subnet of 255.255.255.0. Anywhere in the subnet where you have a 255, that part of the IP address is going to match the network and the broadcast. So for example, with that subnet, the network address is going to start with 87.26.56. Now, the network address or the network name is going to be the first available address in that subnet, and that is going to start at 0. So whenever you're looking at a situation like this, your network is going to be .0. Now for your broadcast is going to be the last available address, so it will still match 87.26.56. But the last available address for the broadcast is going to be 255. Okay, so for this example, with the IP address 87.26.56.32, with a subnet /24, you can see the associated network, broadcast, and subnet address. If you like, you can pause the video and see if you can work the other one or the second one ahead of me. Alright. On the second address, I'm not going to re-explain it. This is actually going to lay out as it did on the first one. I'm just going to type in the answers. Hopefully what you thought or what you entered is going to match what I typed. .0 for the network. .255 for the broadcast. And the subnet is going to be the same. Alright, so that moves us on to the 77.22.19.100 with the /16 for the subnet. With the /16 for the subnet, only 16 bits are being used for the network, 16 are reserved for the host, so your subnet is going to look like this, 255.255.0.0. Now keep in mind, I said anywhere you see a 255, your network or your address is going to match. So in the case of 77.22.19, we're going to have 77.22, but the 19 is not going to match in this one like it did in the others because we're only using 2 255s instead of 3. Alright, so in this case, the first available address starts here. It's going to be 0.0 with a broadcast of 255.255, which is going to be the last available address in that network with that subnet. Hope this helped. Again, if you like the video, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.